Outstanding design defines the 2015 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. Toyota paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.